Hey, so what's going on guys, back here with Droid Reviews and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to take apart or remove the headlamp of the Scirocco. So these step-by-step instructions will be valid from the 2009 to 2013 or even 2017 Scirocco. So it's basically the same steps, it's just 5 screws and then the headlamp just pops out. So at this point in time, you might be actually thinking of replacing the HIDs on the Scirocco because they're already so many years old and probably dim by now. But the space behind the headlamp is a bit too small for my hand at least to get in, so removing the headlamp would be the best solution, and then you can also give the headlamp a clean up because there might be full of dust and debris by now. So this tutorial will actually help you guys make it much easier to replace the HIDs as well as give the car a clean up on the inside, and also probably give the connector a clean up as well because it might be very dirty and caked up with dust at this point in time. Alright, so without further ado, if you haven't subscribed to this channel already, do hit the subscribe button and also enable notifications so you can get notified on the latest videos which I post. And let's get on with the removal of the headlamp for the Scirocco 1.4 TSI. So guys, for this step, you will have to remove the mounting plate or this bracket right here. So this bracket will have 5 screws. You can see right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one more at the side here, 5. So you will need T30 for all of this. Otherwise, you can also use an Allen key size 4 or hex 4 if you're a different region. So you can use a hex 4 for all of this if you do not have a T30 screwdriver lying around. So let's get all these 5 screws open. So now once you remove the bar, you will need to remove 2 more T30 screws holding the headlamp in place. The reason I said is very simple, only 2 screws holding the headlamp in place. So you have one right here and another one right here at the back. So let's get that removed. So once you've got the 2 screws out of the way, your headlamp should be free to be removed. This is what you can see me doing right here. You can adjust it out. Simple as that. Of course, you do have a wire harness behind here, so you do have to be careful not to rip the wires out. So it's just right behind. Let me grab that real quick. Once you've got the wire harness out of the way, basically it's as simple as that. So let me give you a closer look at the connector. You see right here, get the camera to focus. You see the connector is right here. Then underneath the lamp is the ballast. For the HIDs, you can see Audi, Volkswagen, same company. So the headlamp is out. This is where you will get to actually replace the HID. The HID should be right here. If you go closer, you can see right here. HID bulb is a D1S bulb. You can easily get it online and get the LED version of this bulb to actually get a replacement. But however, I'm not going to do that yet. So when that comes, I will do a separate video on that as well. So you can see right here, the whole headlamp just comes apart. This is the same steps you'll be taking if you are going to be removing the headlamp on the other side of the car. So it's very simple, the same steps, removing 5 screws for the mounting plate and then 2 screws for the headlamp. And then you're good to go. And if you want to reinstall it, just reverse the steps, adjust the headlamp, screw in the 2 screws, and then put back the metal plate with the other 5 Torx T30 screws, and then you're good to go. So this is also a step you want to take since you already removed the headlamp. So right here I'm using a WD-40 contact cleaner, so I do like to use this on the contacts because they are ages old. So you want to spray them down and make sure you clean them from any dust or debris that might have entered. Of course, they do have a gasket, but better to be safe than sorry. So you just want to spray them down both on the headlamp side as well as the socket right here. And then when you put them back, they should be good to go for another, I don't know, many years to come. So right, this has been a very quick video tutorial on how to remove the headlamp for the Scirocco 2013 edition, or even the Scirocco in general, the 3rd generation Scirocco. So I hope these steps actually help you guys replace the headlamp. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel for more content just like this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video.